everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss in this video which is about how to fix touch screen not working on any iPhone. So guys, fix this problem today 100% step by step guide. Do not skip any step. You will fix easily this solution on any iPhone. So guys, I will request to my all friends, subscribe and share my YouTube channel for more latest video. Press the bell icon for more new tech video. So guys, do not waste any time. So fix this problem. You have first solution: restart your iPhone. Volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button when you see Apple logo appears on screen. Do not increase the power button, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working, their second solution, check your software update. So guys, open the setting and then you have click on general and then click on software update. You have checked the software update and install on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have again open the setting and then you have click on accessibility and then you have click on touch and then click on 3D and haptic touch, and then you have should be disable and enable on your iPhone. And then other solution, you have reset the network setting and then you have again open the setting and then click on general and scroll up, then you transfer or reset iPhone and then reset network setting. Do not lose any data, video, photo on your iPhone, only reset the network setting. Then you have go back and then other solution, you have again open the setting and then you have reset all setting. So again open the general and then you have again open the transfer or reset, then reset all setting. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset the all setting on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have open the again setting and then click on accessibility and then scroll up, you have click on touch and scroll up touch recommendation you have turn on and then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.